Hi guys, welcome back to another video of Easy Tutorials YouTube channel. Today in this video we are going to create a website with animation. As you can see on this website, here we have some text and button, one title, and these title, description and button are animated. You can see these title, description and button are sliding from the right side to the left side, and its opacity is also changing, and you can see some time delay in the animation of description and button. In the navigation bar of this website design, you can see I have added the hover effect. Whenever we will take cursor in this navigation bar, the background will become white and you can see the different color for these menu links and this logo text. So this hover effect is also making this website more attractive. So let's start to create this animated website using HTML and CSS step by step. In this folder, I have one HTML file and one CSS file, and in this another folder, I have one logo and one background image. Now I will open these files with my code editor, which is Visual Studio Code. This is the HTML file where I have added the basic HTML structures, and this one is the CSS file where I have added margin padding, box sizing and font family for all the HTML elements. And in this HTML file, I have added this link tag that will connect HTML and CSS file. Next, we will add code in the body tag. So here we will add a div with the class name header. Next, we will add the CSS for this header. So just add this class name in the CSS file, and here we will add some CSS properties, width and height. Then we will add background image. And on this background image there will be a dark layer, so here let's add linear gradient, and in this one we will add the color code. So this is the first color code. Just add it again after a comma, and let's add one more comma here. After that we will add URL, and in this URL we will add the file path of the image. So it is in the images folder, write the folder name images / write the file name, which is back.png. After that we will add the background position and background size. After adding this, just come back to the folder and open this HTML file with any web browser. Now you can see this image in the background, and there is one color layer on this image. Now let's come back to the HTML file. Within this header we have to create the navigation bar, so here we will add one nav tag, and within this nav tag let's add a div with the class name logo, and in this logo we will add the img for the image, write the file path images / logo.png, and with this logo there will be one text also. So here let's add a text in a span tag, and this is the text. And just after closing of this div, which is for the logo, here we will add ul and li. In this li we will add a tag, so it will be a clickable link, and here we will add the link text. Just duplicate it and change the text. After adding all these content in the HTML file, let's refresh the website again, and here you can see this logo icon, this text and these list. Next we have to add the CSS for the navigation bar, so let's come back and we will add the CSS for this nav tag. So add this nav tag in the CSS file, and here we will add width, so the width will be 100%, and after that we will add display flex so that all the contents will be side by side. Justify content will be a space between, and align items center. After adding this we will add some padding, so let me add the padding of 18 pixel from top and bottom and 8% from left and right side. After adding this, you can see this logo and logo text in the left side and these links in the right side. Now again come back. In this nav you can see we have the div with the class name logo. So just come back to the CSS file, and here we will add nav.logo. So for this logo, we will add the display will be flex, and align items center. Then we will add font size will be 26 pixel, and font weight, and let's add the color will be white. Now again write the same thing, nav.logo, and in this logo we have the image with img tag. So for this image we will set the width, and we will add some space from the right side. So margin right, it will be 10 pixel. After adding this, let's refresh the website, and now you can see this logo and logo text looks perfect. You can see we have the UL and LI, then a tag for these link text. So let's come back to the CSS. Here we will add nav, UL and LI. So for this list we will add display will be inline block, and list style will be none. Then we will add some margin. So let me add the margin of 10 pixel from top and bottom, and 20 pixel from left and right side. Just after adding this, again refresh the website. You can see all these links side by side. Next we have to change the color, and we have to remove this underline. Let's come back, just copy this and paste it again. Here we will add a tag, and for this anchor text we will add text decoration none. So it will remove the underline, and we will change the color. So the color will be white, and we will change the font weight. So the font weight will be 500. Now you can see these menu links looks good. Next we have to add the hover effect in this navigation bar. Whenever we will take cursor over this navigation bar, the background will become white, and we will change the color of these links and this text also. So let's come back, and here you can see we have added the nav tag. So just copy this nav, write it here. Here we will add hover, and after hover we will change the background. So let's add the background white color. Now you can see whenever we will take cursor, the background becomes white. So it is happening very quickly, so we have to add some transition. So just come back in this nav, and here we will add transition background. It will be 1 second. Now you can see the background color is changing very smoothly. Next we have to change the color of this text and these link text. So let's come back, again copy this one, and in this one we have the div called logo. So for this one we will change the color. So the color is 333, and again copy this one. In this one we have the UL, LI and A. So for this A tag also we will change the color. It will be 333 like this. So after adding this, again refresh the website, and now you can see whenever I will take cursor in this navigation bar, this background will become white and these text will become black. So we have completed this navigation bar. Next we will add some contents on this web page. That will be a title, description and a button. So let's come back, and here we have the nav closing tag. So just after this closing nav tag, let's add a div with the class name content. Now within this content we have to add a title. So let me add a title in h1. The future, we will add a line break here. So here let's add br tag. So it will add a line break. Next we will add a description in p tag. So this is the description text. After that we will add two links. So here we will add a div with the class name links, and within this div we will add a tag for the first one, and in this a tag we will add the text learn more, and let me duplicate it, and in the second link I will add the link text or contact like this. Now Again refresh the website and you can see this text in the left side. Then we have the description and these two links. So we will add the CSS for these things. So let's come back and you can see we have added the class name content. So first write this class name here in this CSS file, and for this one we have to add some space. So let's add some margin from the top. So we will get some space. So margin top will be 9%, and let's add some margin from the left side also. So margin left 9%. Then we will change the color also. So it will be white. Next we will increase the font size for this title. Let's come back and again copy this class name content, write it here, and in this content we have the title in H1. So for this H1 we have to increase the font size. So let's add the font size of 120 pixel. Then we will add line height, it will be 140 pixel. After that we will add font weight, it will be 600. Now you can see this title looks good. Next we have to add the CSS for this description text, which is in p tag. So again copy this one, and here we will add p, and for this p we have to add the max width, it will be 500 pixel, and line height will be 28 pixel. After adding this you can see we have the div with the class name links, and in this links we have the a tag. So let's come back and here we will add dot links. For this links we will add some space from the top. So we will add margin top, it will be 30 pixel. After that we will add dot links a, and for this a tag let's add the color will be white. Then text decoration will be none, and display will be inline block. So you can see these links, it is in white color. Now we have to add this CSS in the first link, so it will be displayed as a button. For that let's come back, and in this HTML file in the first link we will add a class name. So let's add a class name called btn. So come back to the CSS file, here we will add .btn, and in this one we will add border. So the border will be 2 pixel, solid and white color. So there will be a white color of border, and we will add some padding. Let's add the padding of 10 pixel and 35 pixel. Then we will add border radius. Border radius will be 30 pixel and some space from the right side. It is 15 pixel. Now you can see the first link looks good. It looks like a button. So we have added all the contents and we have designed it using CSS. Next we have to add the animation in this text, which is title, description and this button. For that let's come back, and here we have the title in H1. In this H1 we will add a class name called slide left, like this, and we will add the same class name in other text also, which is this description. So in this p tag also we will add this class name slide left, and in this links also, here already we have a class name called links. So write a space, and here we will add slide left. After adding this, next we have to add the CSS for this slide left. So just copy this class name and write it here in this CSS file. For this slide left we have to add animation, so I am adding animation. Write any name for this animation, so I am writing slide left. Then we will add the time, so it will be for 1 second, linear, and the animation fill mode will be forward, so here we will add forwards. After adding this we have to add the keyframes for this animation, so let's add keyframes and slide left, and here we will add 0%, at 0%, let's add transform translate x 100 pixel like this, and we will add opacity 0, so it will be hidden opacity 0. Just duplicate it, and here we will add 100%. At 100% we will see the translate 0, so it will be 0 pixel, and after that we will add the opacity 1 like this. After adding this, again refresh the website, and now you can see this text is sliding from the right side to the left side. You can see one horizontal sliding is coming. To remove this one, just come back, and at the top in this header we will add overflow x hidden. Now there will be no horizontal sliding. Right now these texts are sliding at the same time, so we have to add some time delay. Let's come back, and in the CSS file we have the slide left. So here we will add p.slide_left for the description, and here we will add animation delay. Animation delay will be 1 second, and again we will add dot links. It is for the button dot slide left. So for this button we will add the animation delay of 2 seconds like this. After adding this, again refresh the website. Now you can see the animation starts at different time for the title, description and button. But initially the description and button are visible, so we have to hide that one. So let's come back, and here you can see we have added the links. So in this one we will add opacity 0, and we will add the same thing for this description. Here also we will add opacity 0. That's it. After updating this, again refresh the website. First it will slide the title, and after that description, and after that button. This is how we have easily created this animated website design using HTML and CSS. I hope this video will be helpful for you. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section. Please like and share this video, and also subscribe my channel Easy Tutorials to watch more videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching this video.